the best thing is that it is act like Hermes that they can learn on their own. Now I am using the basic, which you have the tokens here, which every day you have free tokens to use. If you want to use more tokens, you could buy it over here, but I don't recommend because when you buy this, it will have monthly. This is monthly. When you buy it monthly, you will have your tokens upgraded. Now we have our beta memory, which you could make a lot of things. You could click here to talk with your OpenClaw lab, which can do a lot of things, or install any of the mod like MCP. I have a mod installed, which is the Blender MCP. When you are on your command prompt and say, oh, I want to create something, please connect to my Blender and your MCP code, then he can help you making all the projects. We also have your connections, which will connect any of your app. You could use your email by the one pen or any of the app that you have on your iPhone. We got folder, which will save it on here so that you will know what you have recently. When you got a lot of things, when you finish talking, they will always take notes. Here, this is his introductions, which is a lot. And the most important thing, their memory, which would make all memories over here. And we got our daily take notes, which when you talk to him or finish talk to him, everything is free. And sometimes you have tokens problem, you can contact me. I will put my email below so you can contact me. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe and support me. Thank you for your listening. See you next time. Peace.